Ya, hari ini. Okay, today we're gonna talk about ratio analysis. What is ratio analysis? Okay, what is ratio analysis? Yeah, basically ratio analysis is help an idea how a firm is performing, not only in an absolute sense, but also relative to its peers and its competitors. It's very classic. Activity ratio measures the speed with which various accounts are converted into sales or cash, or inflows or outflows. In sense, activity ratio measures how efficiently a firm operates along a variety of dimensions such as inventory management, disbursement, and collections. Yeah, that's the opening. I just finished writing the stuff, and then I want to jump to the time series and cross-sectional. For the time series, what is time series? Time series analysis definitely is evaluates performance. I talk about the function of time series evaluates performance over time. Comparisons of current to past performance using ratio enables analysis to assess the firm's progression. As you can see, 2013, 2014, and 2015. And how about cross-sectional? Alright, it's a little bit different. Cross-sectional is involves the comparison of different firms. Okay, we have reporting of industry average 2015. So of course we compare this one and this one. Okay, back to the function. Involves the comparison of different firms' financial ratio at the same point in time. Analysts are often interested in how well a firm has performed in relation to other firms in this industry. Okay, this is this. Okay. Alright, I just finished writing the stuff, and I'm gonna count the time series with if function. So there's a 3 columns. I used to write the rules in the live site, and then there's 3 columns. We cannot use this function. It's a big no-no. So we're gonna use n, function of n. Oh, I'm a little forget, but yeah. This is I made mistake. I mess up. I'm sorry. For the next one, I don't make mistake at all. Yeah, like this. If n with bracket, gonna put the C4 greater than D4, and then comma D4 less than A4. This what you use for 3 columns. If the unstable still, if bracket and bracket open and bracket open, C4 less than D4, comma, and then D4 less than E4 means improving. Don't forget to add the quotation. Comma, if and open bracket, and click the cells, yeah, C4 equal D4, comma, D4 equal E4 means, close bracket, comma, quotation, stable, and then, yeah. Do the same. Don't forget pay the attention every single formula. Oh, this is absolutely error. I forgot put the n between a if and bracket open. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna drag to the bottom. We're gonna we're found out false, where it should be stable because the comparison isn't not too high. It's too narrow. Yeah, stable. Right. There is exception. The exceptional is there is only exception. Average collection period. Why? It should have been deteriorating, where it should be improving. Why? I'm gonna add the information and then I'm gonna Google. High collection period rates. Having a higher average collection period is an indicator of a few possible problems for your company. From a logistics standpoint, it may mean that your business needs better communication with customers regarding their debts and your expectation of payment. So, this is the only exception. Every single year, they decrease. They went through decreasing, so it's good. Okay, we're gonna jump to cross-sectional, and then we're gonna fill in. Actually, each ratio is different. If current ratio, it's comparison of current ratio increasing and average collection period not increasing, doesn't mean they have good cross-sectional. So I didn't put any formula in this section. I just type and comparing between two columns. Actual 2015 and industry average 2015. Alright. I'm gonna coloring because it would be easier. Way easier. Okay, fair, good, poor, good, fair, poor, poor, good, 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 poor, and good.